been a doing thing, you know, but Mavado strengthen him career. And no found no one talk the truth.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Remember when the two of them are link up and they go to Vendetta? When you forget them something there, when you forget say two of them they do something together, when they farewell, when you forget say Mavado they give Alkaline strength on him show in 2017, I think. If me not get me wrong in about 2017 about them time there. For new rules. And then the same year Mavado call out Alkaline at some fest and then
you keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
A few moments later.
So Flexx come out and I say, when nobody now use Alkaline thing water down, Mavado come and give him back strength.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Me realize that them identify Vybz Kartel influence. And one of the reasons why we see Vybz Kartel are wind up and down in a brief.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them love.
People, go on, you don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, we see Necko fire run out. But you see more while when the money fall in the media, you see because people are listening to them. I don't want nobody here say them mad money up on the media, you know. Cause and listen to them money and feel like say yo I saw things going on. You understand? Because them a look upon it a wrong way and I realize your brother and I saw it go. You understand? But people, no further word. We're gonna go in a video and see what you must say.
that's why I'm not gonna like Necko fire, you know, because Alkaline been a doing thing, you know, but Mavado strengthen him career. And no found no one talk the truth. Remember say Mavado strengthen Alkaline career, same way when them they go and get Jamaican the strength, same way. But when you can't talk the truth and call the spade a spade.
Or interview with Alkaline.
So wait the people. Since him say Mavado give strength and a bag of thing. So wait the people, when Mavado move Ghana foreign and them say my groupie, my link up with DJ Khaled and Nicki Minaj and everything, right? Then after that now, Chim they are foreign and him not dip on the ground. The thing kinda did that, you know? Cause you don't know Cartel they are prison. Seeing and them rival. You see me? So look here now, we're gonna play a clip. Remember you know, Alkaline fouled out around 2012, so you know. Seeing? Look what I go on.
Back in the summer. Some of you will remember our interview with Alkaline back in the summer, where he singled out two artists and gave them his praises.
We got man like Mavado and them man, them see them man they do them thing, we got man like acting. So me say, and the regular man big up artists and them thing about. You don't know, we have to give the man give credit where it is due. So me say, so them man do it. Yeah, every other artist last.
Mavado response.
Well, I mean, it's just the truth. It's just the truth. I mean, at Jamaica, that's not that.
Alright now people. So brother, it's like when if you got in on me G. Remember say Alkaline found in a business. See? And Alkaline just saying that Mavado and I acting, you know. See? Remember say that bring up back feed them name, you know, cause look here, that youth here kick off the door and big the controversy and every little thing, you know, people. Black eye ball and everything, you know, man a run a place and a bag of it song, you know. So remember, you know, them that try force him for say Cartel name. And they must say yo that the artist are not give nobody props. So when the man go call Mavado name and I act name, that a go bring a buzz because a youth have a place at that moment. You understand? Alkaline been a get the attraction before going around Mavado. Remember say Mavado they are foreign way. And he never do no little no controversy, nothing really there on him until when Alkaline forward and say, yo, Mavado this, Mavado that. Bring him back and people are say, alright, Ray and Mavado this and that. So I don't know what not talk about me G. The youth been have him a place already. You see me? So I don't know what not talk about strength. And I like say Alkaline did it and one boss and Mavado call him on a stage or something already. The youth been get the attraction, the eyeball, every little thing already, me G. For them they're all not nice, them and everything. You see it? But listen what Mavado say.
Go
See?
this side.
I mean, Alkaline is a good artist.
Why does Alkaline get such a bad rap in Jamaica?
Because that's the way it is. I mean, if nobody not call the name, you're not hot, nobody don't know you.
So you see what me I talk about? Mavado himself, I tell you. Alkaline name been a call. Remember it Anthony asked him, you know. Why them a call Alkaline name and Ray Ray? Mavado I tell you. So the youth been a carry attention and everything already. You see what me I try to say? The youth done bill him thing, stamp him thing in the ground already. I just show Mavado, him say alright, Ray, Mavado. And big up Mavado Ray. You understand? Just out of respect. But the youth name been a call in the media every little thing. If Alkaline the forward and now and then we know Alkaline through Mavado, then we could understand that. But the youth been a get him attraction. And just by calling Mavado name, I saw Mavado get back in his space when it comes to Alkaline. You understand? So remember that, me G. If I did Mavado I give Alkaline the strength, me G, Alkaline wouldn't reach us, me G. Look how much artists Kartel give strength. Black Rhino, how much of them? Enough of them no reach. Look how much artists I give much artist strength. And when them pull their strength, gone look on Quada and Popcorn, Jaffras and Popcorn, everything, nothing no dead. Alkaline been a billing thing for a long time before Vado, me G. I just show the respect. You see what me I try to say? Alkaline been a do him thing, him a do him thing. You see me? And just the industry attack and bag a thing and Mavado say, yo, that youth not do me nothing. So why me I go fight him or, you understand? So remember that, me G.
Oh, your man, go sit down, man. So if everybody wash Alkaline, then obviously he's doing something that having everyone head. People head around so and around so and around so. You understand me? Because that's how music is. Low, star, leave youth where arise for feed them family.
Remember when the two of them are link up at the Gully Vendetta? When you forget them something there, when you forget say two of them to do something together, when they farewell, when you forget say Mavado to get Alkaline strength for them show in 2017, I think.
Yo, that brother, yeah. Me I tell you say Necko Fire now. Me I tell you what I want with Necko Fire now, people. Necko Fire realize say, alright, the controversy move from Kartel now. Seeing and the massacre thing. Seeing? So now the controversy they run Alkaline and Mavado thing them now. So you see, that's why I switch up everything you know. Seeing? But watch what go on. You see it?
Me not get me wrong in about 2017 about them time there. For new rules. And then the same year, Mavado call out Alkaline and Sunfest and then perform their song together.
Yo, that brother, yeah. The man just say a while ago, people. Say, Mavado call up Alkaline and Sunfest when Alkaline did book for the show. What you mean by Mavado give Alkaline strength? Mavado strength. Mavado give Alkaline strength on new rules. Brother, the man no perform in Jamaica for years, but like about 3 years or so. Seeing? And brother, everybody are wait for see Alkaline on the show. However, Alkaline did depend on new rules in 2017, brother. People that still found out the man stamp him thing, bill him catalog them time. Them the time they after 2016. You understand the youth now do shows about what 3 years in the game. So people did anticipate for see that show there, brother. Everybody and nothing have to do with Mavado, but Mavado give strength on show. Me not understand this. Look, so wait there. How much after no Mavado alone did on the show? Look how much your artist else did on the show, me G. From Alkaline forward in the business. Mavado been there mean like, yo, Gully Vendetta thing. You understand? This is not like alliance. We have Mavado and Kartel, me G. Alkaline don't build him Vendetta thing long time, me G. Yeah, Mavado so out of respect, Mavado dip on the show. But no matter what. See there, how much show keep a Jamaica where Alkaline keep. Seeing? And Mavado no dip on it. Don't much people still forward out. Some don't know where you are talking about. But people, since him say Mavado call out Alkaline, I don't know what you mean. Brother, what you mean by Mavado? Alkaline book for the show? Me I go show people them. So that was Alkaline book for Sunfest. But he might make it sound like say Alkaline never book for Sunfest and Alkaline and look strength and Mavado call him up on stage when the man book for Sunfest. The man just forward pan the media and a chat one bag of thing. So that's why we have to carry the narrative, me G. But here what the fool I say.
Mavado come out and say, yo, MVP, I run dancehall. Don't forget them something there. I remember say Mavado is always the bigger star for Alkaline. Don't forget that part there. That bigger part there. Don't forget say Mavado was always the bigger star for Alkaline up till now. So no go on like no want to talk the truth. Talk the truth. Alkaline did boss and do him thing and I go on. But Mavado straightened Alkaline career. Long story short, just done it this so. Nobody can go.
Brother, what you mean by strengthen when Vendetta and the Gaza thing are the biggest thing in our biggest fan base right now? Me not understand that. So why Gully not big? Why we not hear about the Gully people them? Why a Vendetta we are hear about? In people, if one man I give one next man strength, same like how we can say alright, Gaza give Massacre strength or Gaza give some other artist strength. And it no matter if them and the artists, Gaza and them artists stop link, them are gonna lose the fans there or Gaza thing are gonna more strengthen. You understand? So how comes Vendetta there and end up bigger than the Gully when you say Mavado get Alkaline strength? Gully supposed to be the two biggest things supposed to be Gully and Gaza, you know. It's not supposed to be Vendetta and Gaza. You understand? Because giving an artist strength proves that the artist will give the strength supposed to have a bigger fan base. You understand? So what you say nah make no sense, me G. It nah make no sense. You see me? The man where I give have the more strength and I give the more strength supposed to have the more strength till this day. So me don't know what you talk about, me G.
I don't want to wipe out history. I think don't do already. I think that they already not go look back on memory too short. Alkaline, Mavado, Gully Vendetta. Don't forget.
So Flexx come out and I say, when nobody now use Alkaline thing water down, Mavado come and give him back strength. See? So what me I say now? You see Flexx now? Flexx is like a shandstorm. See? Because watch out. The only time you see them man in the media, you know, at one time them a defend man, them boss. See? And remember, you know, them boss where them a defend, you know. He no sell clothes, he no sell furniture, and he no sell food. And music in do. Music. See? And me no see him you know, no feature. Me no see chance I get no feature with Kartel. Me no see I get no feature with Mavado. But the only time we see you know, in the media when you not come and defend man. And we never remember say not do music.
You see, at that I think for real, you know. It's so funny that yo Jano that Gaza and Gully have the same thing with G. Flexx and Sha. It's like, bro, the man them for man them defend them own career, the man them a defend man to bombard, brother. And them a talk about artists, give artists strength, you know. Same like what Flexx I say. Flexx say, remember see a Gully give Alkaline strength. But look here now. All now Gully can't give him strength. And him their own Gully for years to bomber. People, imagine you their own the man where give the strength, you know. But now you can't get none. What can go so, people? That now make no sense. Because how comes Gully agi Alkaline strength, right? Remember, you know, if you say you have light, seeing, and you give a next man some electricity after your light where you pay for. Zine means you give him some energy over female. Seeing? That means say no. Alright, him a go on and grow, right? So if you pull back and say, yo, done with this, you know, my bill a go up, I know. We can't give no more light. Don't him supposed to over female and no light, nothing a go on. So how comes Mavado did a strengthen Alkaline? But Mavado pull him strength now. But when you look, Alkaline still have electricity over there. Have a big show we are keep worldwide. A sold out arena by himself. Especially, tell me now, people. How a man give strength and a man when give strength to do things by himself. All where you see a man where give strength now do. Alkaline do him solar arena in a Barclays Center by himself, dominated by himself. We never see Mavado do. Now say him can't do it, you know. But we never see Mavado do that yet, like the pan a flyer in the United States where him alone and pull so much people. So how now say Mavado give Alkaline that strength there? And them now link again, them now. You understand? That other people, it shows the Alkaline have him own a thing, me G. Yeah, him a Mavado power. But the youth have him grounds. You understand? Yeah, man.
You couldn't go find good song. Time when you come out here and defend, man. See? Because when Alkaline and Mavado link up, Alkaline did already a running place already. See? So Alkaline never need Mavado strength. Alkaline did a running place already. Because if you go and talk facts, both Mavado and Kartel get a hype off of Alkaline in prime. See? Because when Mavado go on Alkaline don't have a place already.
See it? This is what I talk about people. And see, I'm not lie, me I tell you now. But just play the video them. Where ER asks and them I say, yo, Alkaline been around the place. And I just told the man say, yo, big up Mavado. Make up Mavado even get in the conversation. If Alkaline never say no Mavado wouldn't get in the interview or no conversation. Me I tell you, you understand?
See? When time Kartel and Alkaline I go at it, why making go at Alkaline? Because Alkaline do not already and run anything. Kartel now go just get up and in nothing with no man when I go with nothing. See? So where you need to go to Flexx try find song man. Yeah, me could know say you still a sing song in time you come out in the media. No only come out in the media when time you defend man. Because man when you defending now use your whole song we see in job. And we never remember say you do song. So go find song man and go sit down.
Them say when you have influence, you know, the bigger heads them, the hierarchy them, can get you to do anything. We realize that them identify Vybz Kartel influence. And one of the reasons why we see Vybz Kartel are wind up and down in a brief. It's just a thing for getting the young youth them brain to think that it's okay. Just to make the youth them think that it's okay. Be yourself, be happy. You're rich. If you're rich, go fuck batty. If you're rich, you can't go there with man. If you're rich, you can't do nothing. Because once you have money, you can do whatever you want. You understand?
And the thing is that, you know, when you say something, you know, them say you're bad mind. You know why them say you're bad mind? A true Kartel rich. If Kartel did poor and he nah nothing, them wouldn't say him bad mind, you know. Them wouldn't say when you talk about him you're bad mind. Only when you talk about a man we're rich. You understand? Them say you're bad mind, but if you're poor, you're not bad mind. You understand? You can't make a statement. You see it? I just one of them thing there. But the thing is that, you know, brother, them not see nothing yet, you know. You see me? Knowing Kartel is a man where the man that do anything for your attention, there's more to come, brother. May I tell you that?
I wonder. That's why 3/4 of the time, the man them with money fishy, you know, and can get any man with licky and love sweets to put them body on the counter. So you gotta tell me, say, as a man as Vybz Kartel, you don't do anything to get a Grammy? What, your work not speak for you again? Your music can't speak for you again? You go foreign and sell out them type of way that you don't do anything for Grammy? You don't dash your entire legacy where you work so hard for in Jamaica and build in a dancehall?
Man, I think how Kartel move along for Grammy in a G. The man, I just him that, me tell you, say social media, the more advanced social media get, the more advanced Kartel showing personality. You understand? The man just a be him, bro. It's just because when him did, before him go prison and him they run some different type of people, my G. And social media never so powerful where him can do certain things. And you understand? Cause I remember, you know, brother. Yeah, a man rich and rare. You understand? Like, people, once say people have money, they can't do anything. Because people just say, alright, dream have money, we're not going to say no, but make a poor man. You understand? Yeah, I just so society stay. You see it?
Just for your Grammy? Just for get recognized? Just for see yourself on a chart? And just for get what? 1 extra million a show? You lose yourself? Them have that saying, you know. And you always say God are the greatest. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul?
So people, I see Sponge run out, you know. Yeah, man, so forward out. Because remember, say Flexx say, him woman a beat him up in the yard. So look at now, him do a video. So look what I go on.
Come back.
We're here.
Yeah, man. Look like him a play music in the background, the people, man. I tell you.
Security for Mavado. Me na community pool, the woman who beat me here. Me na community pool, the woman who beat me. See, community pool, the woman one Vendetta, man. No boy, man.
Yeah, man, people. So, you see me? A sponge at a wristband. You see it. But people, you don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. You don't know a thing set. Respect for the support. That is it.